A man discovers a golden beetle kept inside a museum. Suddenly, a portal of light bursts out and pulls his body in. He is shocked and cries for help as his body is covered in shimmering light energy. He can't believe it and is confused about where he is. He is forcibly escorted by the royal guards into the palace. It turns out he has traveled back in time to the era of the ancient Egyptian kingdom.
Welcome back. In this video, I'll be making a similar video, transporting myself back in time to the ancient Egyptian kingdom using free AI. How do I do it? Let's get started. But before that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any other interesting information from Techno Genius. Okay, here I've prepared the tools, and they're the same as the previous video. I'm using Claude to create the prompts, Dreamina to generate the images, and Pika Art to generate the videos. Why do I always use Claude? Because Claude is able to create prompts and other things like scripts according to my wishes. This is one of Claude's advantages over ChatGPT. Okay, let's get started. Here I'm asking Claude to create prompts using my photos. I want to create 4 scenes that form a short story, and each scene will have an image prompt, a video prompt, and a narrative prompt. Then we'll wait for Claude to create them. Okay, look guys, the results are according to what I wanted. The image prompt, video prompt, even the narration has been separated according to what I wanted. The next step is, we will create the image in Dreamina. We first copy the image prompt from scene 1. Then here we upload our photo and paste the prompt, then click generate. Okay, the result is done. Friends, let's take a look first. If you feel dissatisfied, you can generate again. Since I was quite right, so I continued to create the image for the second scene. Okay, for the second scene, the method is the same as the first scene. We just copy and paste the prompt from Claude to Dreamina. Now for the photo, there is no need to upload again, so just leave it, then click generate. Okay, the second scene is done. Continue with the image for the third scene, and so on. The method is still the same. Okay, the image for all scenes is finished. Next, I will first select the good images, then download them. After everything is downloaded, next we will make it into a video. I opened Pika Art and logged in using a temporary email. To do this, we first find the temporary email. Here, I use Temp Mail, copy the email, and sign up on Pika Art. For the name, I just entered any name. Click Sign Up, then you'll be given a verification email, and verify it. After that, log in using the temp email you just created. Okay, here I am, my friends, logged into Pika Art. You can use this method to generate images to video as much as you like. The next step is to upload the scene images one by one. Let's create the first scene first. Copy Claude's prompt and paste it here. Then click Generate and wait for the results. For the other settings, I left them at their defaults. Okay, here's the first scene video. Let's take a look. Okay, the results are pretty good in my opinion, so I'll just download it. Next, for the second scene, the method is the same. Click Generate and wait for the results. Okay, here it is for the second scene. The results are also pretty good, so I'll just download it. Okay, on to the third scene. Here it is. Now, if you've downloaded all the generated videos, the next step is to combine them all. You can use whatever tools you like. Here, I use CapCut. You can also add narration to make it more interesting. And here's the final result.
A man discovers a golden beetle kept inside a museum. Suddenly, a portal of light bursts out and pulls his body in. He is shocked and cries for help as his body is covered in shimmering light energy. He can't believe it and is confused about where he is. He is forcibly escorted by the royal guards into the palace. It turns out he has traveled back in time to the era of the ancient Egyptian kingdom.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.